Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost armor in Minecraft. Ghost armor refers to making your character's equipped armor invisible or translucent, giving a unique visual effect. This isn't a standard crafting recipe, but rather an effect achieved through game commands or custom resource packs. We'll cover the most common method to achieve this cool look for your character. To create invisible armor, you'll use a simple game command. Open your chat and type /give it P followed by the armor type, like diamond chestplate and then invisible, 1B. This command directly gives you an armor piece that is fully invisible when worn. Remember to replace diamond chestplate with the specific armor piece you want to make invisible. If you already have armor you want to make invisible, you can modify it directly. Use the /item modify command, targeting your equipped armor slot, such as entity at S armor. Chest for your chest plate. Then, apply the set NBT invisible 1B modifier. This instantly makes your currently worn armor invisible without needing to craft new pieces, offering great flexibility. Another way to achieve a ghost look is through resource packs. These packs can change the visual texture of armor, making it appear translucent or partially transparent instead of fully invisible. You'll need to find and download a suitable resource pack, then activate it within your Minecraft settings. This method offers a different aesthetic, focusing on a see-through appearance rather than complete invisibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.